In this video, I will show you how to fix no access to Rift Anchor in Once Human. Sometimes the issue is server related. Visit the official Once Human website or check their social media channels for server maintenance updates. If it also doesn't help, close Once Human completely and restart it. This can resolve temporary connection issues and refresh your game session. If the issue persists, open your playing on PC. Use your game launcher to verify the integrity of game files. This can fix corrupted or missing files that may causing the issue. The next step is to check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. If possible, switch to a wired connection for better performance. If the issue is still going on, try to update your game. Always keep Once Human updated. Developers release patches that fix bugs and connectivity issues. The next step is to clear in-game caches. Clearing the cache can remove corrupted temporary files that may causing the problem. If the issue is still going on, reach out to Once Human support, provide details about the error and mention any troubleshooting steps you have already tried. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the no access to Rift Anchor error in Once Human and get back to playing smoothly. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.